Hello student, today we start with the new topic, that is hands on C++. Okay, so if you check your syllabus, in that university mention you have to use a open source software. So for what is open source software? So we know that there are two types of software. First is open source software and second is a licensed software. So what is licensed software? So you have to pay some price for the using the software. Okay, so such software is called as a licensed software. And there is another category, open source software. So for use of that software you have to not pay any amount. That's called as a open source software. So in your syllabus university recommended you have to use all the open source software. Means suppose Windows is a licensed software, so for use of Windows you have to uh, give some amount to the Microsoft. But in similar there are various other operating system present, such as Linux operating system. So for using Linux you don't have to pay any amount. So mostly in our college open source softwares available. In our college operating system present, Linux operating system, and also the other software also open source. So in this there is a compiler called as G++. For the open source compiler used in the Linux operating system for running the C++ programming. As already I covered, the compilation is necessary part for the C++ language. So you have to install that compiler first, and then you can run your C++ programming. But due to lockdown it is not possible to use G++ compiler. So I brought you a one site. It is called as a tutorial point C++. So in this site there is a online compiler present. So using that compiler you can run your C++ program. So just type on Google tutorial point C++. Then first link will be appear, and then you have to click on that link as shown in this video. Just click on this link. So this is site for the C++ tutorial. So this is the first basic program to print a hello world. Okay, so you have to print one message, hello, suppose hello world message on screen. Just click on live demo. So this is the appearance. So in this, so this part is called as, we can say these are editor, and result part. In this part the whatever the output will be shown in this part. So this part is editor part. So you have to write all your programming in this part, and if you want to check result then you can check result in this part. So for the execution of program you have to click on execute button. So you have to wait for some time, and result will be appear. So this is for the just trial purpose for the first 1 month. Then we are again switching to the our normal resource, that is a Linux operating system and G++ compiler. So for this 1 month we are covering all our program on this